Hi guys, welcome to Salsa Talk. I'm your host of today, Mori from the dance company Salsa Ventura. And today guys, we're going to talk about the 10 reasons why people should start taking dance classes. The 10 best reasons. So, if you still have friends, family members, acquaintances, colleagues that you think, well, they should definitely take some dance classes, then please send them this video. And as you know, please become a member, sign up, share, like, and place your comments below, and I really appreciate it, okay? So what are the 10 best reasons to start taking dance classes? And the first one, of course, when I take a resume, everybody goes like, 1, to learn how to dance. Well, that makes sense, to learn how to dance. And well, we will go into this a little bit later, but do you know that most people that give this as an answer, many times it's not the main reason, because many times people say, yeah, I just want to learn how to dance. But then if you keep asking, yeah, but why do you want to learn how to dance? Then many times other stuff comes up. But of course, for some people, it's definitely learning how to dance, and maybe somewhere unconscious, they picked it up as watching a movie and seeing other people dance, or being somewhere at a place where other people were dancing, and you were there and you thought, well, I should definitely pick this up, okay? And maybe you're one of those, and then this is definitely the number one reason to take dance classes or to just start dancing, okay? So then number two, it's the atmosphere. And I don't know if you know, but the Dutch dance scene, but also the worldwide Latin dance scene is the best dancing in the world. There are hardly ever any troubles. No fights, and not a lot of people drinking too much alcohol, because when we are dancing and we get a little bit fanatic and we do a lot of turn patterns, it doesn't go very well with alcohol, and that makes the atmosphere in salsa parties most of the time fantastic. If you are someone and you need alcohol to have a good time, then please check out the Latin atmosphere at parties, because you don't need a lot of alcohol to have a great time, okay? And this is something that I found out many years ago, and I know that if I speak to some of my friends, that they go like, you guys hardly drink? Is that fun? I mean, yes, it's a lot of fun, okay? On the third one, it's to meet people, okay? And this is very special, because some of the best friendships start within the dance, in the world of dance. I mean, as you understand, if you go to a party and you dance with a lot of people, or you go to a weekly dance class and you meet people and you talk to them, you also get to know those people. And many times you will find out that most of the people are like kindred souls. Many of us have pretty much the same kind of interest. We are, by the way, open for movement and feeling and communication, and that makes the scene very special, and also the atmosphere very special, okay? So the atmosphere on 2, and meeting people on number 3. On number 4, do something nice with your partner, okay? That is, do something nice with your partner. Now, if you don't have a partner, and I mean like in an intimate relationship, do something nice with your partner, then you might be able to imagine that when you are together and you just fell in love and everything is nice, then this is, while you're in love, this is one of the best things to do, okay? To share a common interest, a hobby, to learn something new, etc. But if you have been in a relationship for quite a long time, dancing can be the greatest escape, okay? And we see it a lot with our students. They sometimes get married, they sometimes get kids, and they just sit on the couch most of the time. And then dancing is a fantastic way to combine movement, because you're dancing, you're moving, socializing, you meet other people, and of course relaxation, to relax, to go out with your partner and to immerse yourself in a complete different surroundings, okay? So that's on number 4. Then on number 5, guys, this is probably one of the best reasons also, health and condition, okay? Health and condition. Dancing is so good for your health that even a lot of doctors are now advising their patients, especially when people are a little bit depressed. If you are able to go out dancing, you will notice that things will change. When you change your physical movement, I mean, you can tell if you would stand up right now from behind your computer, from wherever you're watching, and you will start running up and down and jumping, your feeling will become different. And therefore, when you start dancing, your emotions are influenced in a positive way. And by your emotions, that will create your feeling and you will just feel better, okay? So it's very good for your health, it's good for your condition. And when you go out to a party, you can actually compare it. We did some research some years ago. And actually, when people go out to a party, you can compare it to, to a competition of tennis. So if you are in a competition of tennis and you play like 4 or 5 games, that's the same amount of energy that you burn as if you go to a party. But then of course you should dance, okay? You should go out on the dance floor. Sitting at the bar will not help you. So it's fantastic for your health. Then on number 6, I already mentioned it a little bit, it's to relax. When you are in a stressy job, then one of the best ways to relax, guys, is going out to dance. Just forget everything for a while. Just go out there, connect to the music, connect to the people, and just have a great time, okay? And it's one of the best ways to just forget everything that's going on in your life just for a few hours, okay? Then 7. That is a very nice one. When you go out and dance, you will learn and you will grow, okay? And you will notice that if you talk to people who are fanatic dancers, they always have the feeling they are still improving. I have been dancing now for 25 years and still I have the feeling that I keep improving my dance, I keep improving the connection with my partners, I keep finding out new things. So learning and growing on number 7 is definitely one of the best reasons for a lot of people to go out and learn how to dance. Then, oh, this is a nice one, guys. When you take classes, and once you have learned how to dance, the world is yours, because everywhere in the world they are dancing salsa. And I did some research a long time ago, and then I found out that there was only one country where I could not find dancing salsa in this case, and that was Vatican City. I don't know if you know, but Vaticanstad in Rome has its own country limits. So therefore it's actually a unique country. And for as far as I know, it's the only country in the world where they do not dance salsa. Though sometimes I have my doubts. You never know what takes place, you know, behind those walls. But definitely, guys, from Thailand to Malaysia, to the United States, South America, everywhere, even the northern parts of Africa, South Africa, everywhere you go, you can dance salsa all over the world. So for many people, that's a very good reason to go dancing, because you can take your hobby all over the world. And then a lot of people, they start dancing because they just love the music. And I know that a good friend of mine, she always goes into those shops here in the city center, and she goes like, you know what's funny? The moment I walk into those places, she's not a dancer, by the way, she's a friend of mine, but she goes into those shops and she goes, the moment I hear the bachata, I want to dance. So a lot of people start with the love for music before they start dancing. Now, how nice is that? Can you imagine that you have listened to a lot of songs and a lot of kind of music that you like, but then even learn how to move on it? I mean, you can imagine. That's fantastic. And then on 10, it's to maintain. And now you might wonder, to maintain. Yes, a lot of people have learned how to dance, but once you stop, then kind of the level of your dancing will decrease. And the funny thing is like cycling, you know, if you learn here in Holland, we do a lot of biking. But if you don't bike for many years, it feels a little bit like, you know, you get a bit insecure. And there is a difference between doing something regularly or doing something every now and then, or not doing something at all. And just as maintenance, I mean this, guys, there are many people in the world that are not able to dance. They live too far away from a school. Some people are handicapped. Some people are ill. Definitely not everyone is able to learn how to dance. So this is always, yeah, it's kind of like, I feel myself a little bit on a mission to make you aware of the following. If you know how to walk and you know how to dance, once you have learned it, please maintain it. Because I do know that if ever anything happens to you and there comes a point in life where you might not be able to dance anymore, then I'm pretty sure you will look back at the stage where you were able to dance and go like, I should have done this, I should have done that. So guys, just as a maintenance tool, please, when you know how to dance, please keep dancing. Even if you do it only once a month, or once in 6 months, or once a year, but you know, that's very little, but please, when you know how to dance, please maintain it. Okay, guys, so this is for me from Salsa Ventura, the best 10 reasons to take either dance classes or to learn how to dance. I did not make up the answers. It was coming from a big survey that we did about 1.5 years ago, and I just found it fascinating. Guys, I wonder the following. Why did you start dancing? Did you fall in love? Did you want to connect? Did you want to meet people? There are all kinds of reasons to that maybe you started dancing. So please share it in the comments below. If you have any questions or any demands, let me know and I will do my best to follow up with a new video. Okay, guys? See you guys next week, and keep up the good dancing and fill up the dance floor. Ciao, guys. And oops, guys, before I forget, please check out salsaventura.tv. We have for only €1, guys, and for you in the United States it's even cheaper because you don't have to pay the taxes. I think it's only $84 that you can check out our website for 14 days. We have Salsa Beginners 1, Beginners 2, Beginners 3, Intermediate 1, Intermediate 2, 3, Advanced. We have it all. And the special thing about our program, needless to say, and you know, I don't want to brag about it, but I think it's true, we offer structure. When you follow our structure, for sure it will help your dancing to go fastly forward. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you soon.